Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can double tap the back of your phone to basically screenshot or just do anything else on your phone. So go to settings and go to accessibility. Then you're going to select the touch button and you're going to select the back tap. So scroll down here and select back tap. Double or triple tap on the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly. So select which one you want, double tap. My phone can't do it anymore because the back is like broken, but you can obviously do it with yours. So select screenshot or select any of these options that you want. Then when you back tap your phone twice or like double tap it, it's gonna screenshot the, oh, actually, never mind. I just did it and it works. Okay, so it still works, but you're just going to select whichever one you want and it's going to do the action that you set it to do. So that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.